If you have ever been frustrated by how long it takes to type and how many mistakes you make and how much you have to backspace and edit, all of those time wasting things, you are going to love today's video. Hi, I'm Miss Shez Jones. I'm the founder of Onliners, and I want to talk to you today about an AI voice automation tool, which is going to save me hours every week and probably going to save a lot of you because we spend a lot of time online, right? So if we can cut that down and make it more accurate as well, win, 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 win. So I was just in school. You're welcome to join the school onliners community if you like. I was doing a training by Nick Serave, I think is his name. Haven't heard him say it yet, but he won the school games. He has a one person community, there's no team, and he earns over $300,000 recurring monthly income. And he was giving some tips on how he manages to serve over 3,000 members. And one of his tips was this tool. So it's called, he actually had to Aqua and Whisper. And I did a quick search online and got some comparisons, got some testimonials, some social proof to see which one was better. And they're quite close. So, go with what you want. But Whisperflow came out better in the free version. So there's a free version and a paid version. The free version, you can do up to 2,000 words, which is plenty for me. So if you need more than that, then maybe Aqua would be better for you. But for me, the free Whisper version works really well. So you just download the exe file and install that from your downloads and does a quick test of your microphone. And the two keys on a Windows keyboard are your control key and the Windows key. And so it tests those. And once your microphone and those two keys are all good, you just start. And you can go to any text box. I went straight to my emails because that's where I spend a lot of time typing up replies. And it just worked first time, straight out of the box. So even though there's no box. So all you do is you put your cursor on any text sort of field anywhere, whether it's emails or a document. Like I'm going to use it for my next book as well, because when I'm writing books, it takes a long time. So you can talk like at about 160 words per minute. But most people type at 40 words per minute. That's a bit of an average. I know when I first started at typing school, all those years ago, like more than 40 years ago, but I had 100% accuracy when I took my first test at typing school, but I only had 16 words per minute. And they took me from 16 words per minute up to 60 words per minute because that's what you need at the time to be a professional typist. Yes, there was a time when only professional people could be typists. So anyway, I probably type a bit faster than most people, or maybe I've slipped and I'm at the average of 40 words per minute. If I am, then this is like 4 times faster than that if you speak at normal speed. Now, a lot of millennials speak really fast, so they might get even more done. But if you just speak at average speed, you type at average speed, you're going to get at least a 4x return on your time by using Whisperflow. So highly encourage you to do it. If you've got any questions, if you download it and you have trouble and you want someone to help you problem solve around it, drop your comments and I'll jump in and do as much help as I can to get you up and running. We're all about, in the school of onliners, we're all about helping each other get rid of all these frustrating, techie, issue-y, time-wasting things so we can focus on earning income online and hopefully getting to the 335,000, I think is up to now per month recurring income that Nick's up. So thanks for the tip, Nick. And if you've got any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for listening and watching today.